Hi guys, I'm Joanne. This video is with regards to the Singapore Budget 2013 and I will be talking about the Wage Credit Scheme. Under the Wage Credit Scheme, government will co-fund 40% of the wage increases given to Singaporean employees. Here's an illustration on how the Wage Credit Scheme works. If an employer increases the gross monthly wage of his employee by $200 in year 2013, the government would co-fund 40% of the $200 wage increase. And this is not just for year 2013, but also for the next 2 years. If further $200 increases are given in year 2014 and year 2015, the government will co-fund 40% of the total wage increase of $400 and $600 in 2014 and 2015 respectively. At the end of 3 years, the employee will receive a total of $14,400 more in wages, where $5,760 is co-funded by the government. Here's another illustration. In year 2012, an employee works for 6 months with basic wage of $1,000, with food allowance of $100 and receive a bonus of $1,200. The gross monthly wage will be $7,800 divided by the number of months CPF contributions were made, which is 6 in this case, and we will arrive at $1,300 as the gross monthly wage. A comparison of year 2012 and year 2013, gross monthly wage increased by $100 and wage credit to be received by the employer is $480. This wage credit scheme is applicable for the period of 3 years from year 2013 to year 2015. This is for Singaporean employees. However, do note that owners of companies or businesses do not qualify as employees. Employees are also required to be employed for at least 3 months in the preceding year and also be on employer's payroll for at least 3 months in a qualifying year. Employees must be earning a gross monthly wage of less than $4,000. Gross monthly wage is calculated by basic salary plus additional wages such as overtime pay and bonuses divided by the number of months CPF contributions were made. Employers are not required to submit any application form. Wage credit will automatically be paid out to eligible employers annually. This will be based on the CPF contributions made. This scheme applies to all employers except to government-related entities and entities that are not registered in Singapore. To qualify, employers are also required to give at least $50 increase in gross monthly wage. Eligible employers will receive payout automatically annually. For each year that you qualify for wage credit, you will receive the wage credit in the second quarter of the following year. For example, for wage increases given in 2013, employers will receive the wage credit in the second quarter of 2014. This wage credit scheme is also applicable for both full-time and part-time employees. And what happens if you have hired a Singaporean employee this year? Employers will still be covered as long as they pay a higher wage than the previous employer in the previous year. This wage credit scheme aims to support productivity gain sharing between the employers and employees, especially for the lower wage workers. Other programs introduced in this budget are the PIC bonus and the corporate income tax rebates. You may like to refer to our videos on these topics. We hope our videos have been informative to you. Goodbye.